Today is Thursday, July 28th, National Milk Chocolate Day. Let's take a look at two stocks that had earnings, and they're both doing pretty well, although one had good earnings and one really didn't. Here's Facebook, had good earnings, record high in price, jumped up huge this morning. But take a look at this chart. You just at first glance you'd say, well, its trend is up, above its moving averages, RSI is strong, maybe not overbought. So this is probably a pretty good stock. Nice trend, long trend. And I'm not even thinking about the fundamentals, price earnings, things like that. I'm just looking at the chart. And you say, well, we've got a breakout here, a price breakout. That's also good. But what I don't like about this chart, aside from the fact that it was trading at 80 less than a year ago, and now it's at 125 and change. Take a look at this candle. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can see it jumped way up here. There's the open, the top of the candle. And here's the current price. We're about lunchtime right now. So it traded well off its high. It opened, made a little higher high, came down, and then really came down. So while it's still up significantly on the day, it is near the bottom of the day's range. And that's not a good thing. Normally in candlestick charting, a good open, a high open, and a bad close, of course, would leave a tall, dark candle or red candle, filled-in candle, depending on the system you're using. Here we have a tall red candle. Now, is it a reversal pattern is the question. Did Facebook really flame out here? In other words, has everything that's going to happen good to this stock already happened with this earnings being the last bit of good news to possibly come out? Now, if this were a tall green candle here, and then we saw this tall red candle at about the same price, that would actually be a pattern in candlestick charting. And I'm going to go over the jargon, just to be a reversal pattern. Here, though, it didn't close at that high yesterday, so it's kind of a quasi-reversal pattern. So it's not dead yet, trend is still up, but this is definitely a warning sign on Facebook, especially with good earnings. Okay, let's look at another stock. This is Caterpillar. We got to zoom back out on this one. Earnings weren't so great. The stock is holding its own. It's down slightly, but it's holding its own in today's trading. What I like about the stock is this here. Now, this trend line clearly broken to the upside. It's really not relevant anymore. We have another trend line up here. Now, it doesn't describe the action in much of this chart, so it's not the greatest resistance level. It's just something to note. But what I do think is very important in this stock is this resistance level, which was broken to the upside. And you could see it rallied up to it, pulled back a little bit, and then broke out. And that's that cup with handle style of breakout, where it rallies back to resistance, pauses, and then makes the breakout. So to me, this stock looks pretty good. And to tell you the truth, between Facebook and Caterpillar, even though Facebook is the sexy name that's really hot, and Caterpillar's been a laughing stock in the market for quite a while, I think I would prefer to have Caterpillar over Facebook because this is just starting to break out, whereas Facebook is just way high up there.